Autofix lag in Roblox Mobile. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Roblox in your mobile device. And once you open the Roblox application, you simply want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, you simply want to go ahead and start any game that you wish to. And once you start the game, you simply want to go ahead and tap on this Roblox icon at the top left corner. So once you tap onto it, select settings, and inside settings, scroll below, and then you'll find an option that says graphic mode. So it is set to automatic by default. So what you want to do is simply change it to manual. And after you do that, you can even go ahead and change the graphic quality. Once you're done, head back to the game and you'll have to make sure that low power mode is toggled off. If it's toggled on, you simply want to go ahead and toggle it off. Once the low power mode is toggled off, head back to your game and see if the issue is fixed or not. If not, you simply want to go ahead and restart your mobile device. After you restart the mobile device, you want to go ahead and come to the Roblox again and see if the issue is fixed or not. Also, in order to fix the issue, you want to make sure that your phone has enough storage. So go ahead and check that and delete the files that you don't need any longer. After you do that, you'll then be able to fix your problem. That's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.